Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aaliyah and today I'm going to be unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Let's get to unboxing. So I decided to go with the creator combo. It included the extra mic, wireless mic, and the battery pack, and I thought that would be important for when I'm out filming videos and need the battery. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, let's take out everything. Okay. Oh, we have here a little sticker. Oh wait, it's like a pack of them. It is. Oh, it's drones. That's so cute. Ooh, I do want to get a drone from them sometime. I think that'd be so cool. I do have another gimbal from them. Okay, so what is in this container? I'm saving the important stuff for last. Oh, this looks like the carrying case. Oh my gosh, this is so tiny. And I've heard that you can actually clip the mic on here and use it as like a little microphone holder. And then it looks like these are magnets for where the lenses go. Now let's open. I love how everything's organized. Oh my gosh. It's so tiny. It like literally fits in my hand. Oh my word. Stop. Look at everything. It's just so well organized. Okay, so here's the actual Osmo Pocket 3. Oh my gosh, it's like freezing cold. And then I'm going to peel off. I was kind of nervous something small like this, that it would feel light, but I feel like it has a good weight to it. I don't know if I'm describing that correctly. On this other side, let's see, is this the extender or the battery pack? I think this might be the extra battery pack. This looks like the battery handle, so this would be plugged. Oh, let me take this off first. And it looks like this would clip into here to charge it. And then it would also be an extra grip, so you have something more to hold on to. Further, we have this little guy. I think this is just an extender. It's so tiny. Oh my gosh. It's like a little, like, Lego. Further underneath of that, we have, oh, this looks like the little tripod that goes at the bottom. So it's a tiny little tripod. So cute. And it looks like to attach this to your Pocket 3, you have to put in either the battery grip or the extender, because both of them have the, I believe it's a 1/4 inch thread at the bottom. I'm excited to see what it looks like when it's turned on. And then we do have one more thing. We have the mic. Oh my gosh, it is so tiny but so beautiful. I love how you can see through, there's like a glass layer right here and you can see underneath of it. The last thing we have is, oh, it's the little, I think they call this a mouse. Stop. It is so soft. Oh my gosh. The storage on my phone ran out I'm going to be doing a voiceover for the rest of this video. So here I am unboxing the actual wide angle lens that magnetically attaches to the front of the camera. And here you can see me attaching it on. It is so simple and so easy. And I did mention how I have seen other YouTubers and people who have gotten the DJI Pocket that have invested in getting some ND filters to magnetically stick on their camera lenses, which is great for if you want a more cinematic look. And then the case actually has a spot where you can put the lens covers. In the rest of the case, there was just the charger left. I had unboxed everything except for the lanyard, which I found out later that I had omitted. And here we get a close-up of the DJI Pocket 3, the mic, and all of its accessories. Now that we've unboxed everything, I wanted to take you guys through my first time turning on the Osmo Pocket 3. After using the Pocket 3 a few times, I will note that the interface is fairly easy to use. It's pretty straightforward and self-explanatory. Of course, because it is a small screen, it is hard to get labels for everything. So one of the screens is just icons, but it doesn't take much to figure out what those icons do and what settings you can change with them. As you can see, it's really smooth to be able to use the gimbal, which I love. Now that I've turned on my Pocket 3, I'm going to test pairing the microphone and see how easy it is. The directions say that you just need to turn on the microphone transmitter and it should automatically connect, which you can see here. It has connected so quickly and so easily. I love how it tells you how much battery percentage you have left because nowhere on the microphone does it actually tell you. The last thing I have to do when setting up my Pocket 3 is putting in the SD card. I did get a 256 gigabyte SD card. The one thing I don't particularly like is how open the SD card slot is. There's nothing to cover it, which does make me nervous if it were raining or something, but I mean, typically you wouldn't keep it out in the rain. Okay, we are trying this. Hello. Oh, I hope that was okay. I'm going to walk around and practice with the stabilization. I'm also going to take it outside of my room because I know you will get a better test that way. But this is so cool. Oh my gosh, I can't. Okay, there we go. Now I see. The lighting is pretty good, not gonna lie. I do have it at only 1080p, so it's not the best quality that it could get. And sorry, I was not looking at the camera, I was looking at the screen. But how do we sound? Can you hear me from over here? Hello? Oh, that may have been too loud. I don't have face tracking on right now, which was actually something I was wondering because every tutorial or like unboxing video I had seen, the camera was just following the person. And I was like, that would get annoying after a while. Like, I want to walk over here and you not be able to follow me. Hello. What I do like about this though is that I haven't had many people staring at me because I look funny. It just looks like I have something in my hand, which I do. Also, now the mic is a little out there, but it doesn't completely stick out to you like a sore thumb. It's so cute though, and sorry, I'm rambling. I have the little extender on the gimbal. Let me show you. So this is what my gimbal looks like. I have the extender on it. You can see the light flashing to show that it's recording. These are heaping bowls. Oh my word. You know, there was one I immediately guessed and it wasn't even close. I was like, well, there goes my ideas.
It looked like an obvious one too, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. And I think you'll guess it too.
Usually when they look obvious like that, they're not.
Okay, let's play connections. Did you get any?
I got one.
One? I have one try left. This is not gonna work.
Yeah, those are right.
Yeah, I'm missing one, but I can't figure out which one.
Oh, got the first one, the blue one.
What?
You got that one? Yeah.
The one that has handle in it.
Okay, I was guessing the blue one. I had it in mind, but I couldn't think of the other word.
Oh, really?
What?
Yeah, I got that was the very first one because I know that.
I know.
What is that?
I got the yellow one. Yeah, I got the yellow one.
What? How does...
I'm
that?
just used to hearing that. Fielding questions.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my unboxing video for the DJI Pocket 3. I had so much fun trying it out and giving you guys my first thoughts. I hope it was so helpful for you, and we'll see you in the next one.